Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Hope everyone have a great weekend or great morning as you watch my video tutorial. Uh, in this video lessons, I would like to introduce you a program called Burpsuite, and the exercise that I like to perform is called directory transversal. All right. So, what is Burpsuite? Burpsuite is a software security application that is used for penetration testing of web application. This is one of the good tools. Is similar to OWASP. Okay, OWASP is an open source program, and this is also is a free one. This one is also free. However, they have the paid version. So both a free and a paid version of the software are also available, right? It was developed by Portswigger. Okay, I obtained this definition from the Wikipedia. Okay, the developer is Portswigger and written in Java. Okay, so Burpsuite is almost similar with OWASP, but some of the key terms are different from OWASP. So in a few moments we will explore the program and perform a lab exercise. Okay, so the second term that students need to know is called directory transversal. What is directory transversal? Directory transversal is a type of HTTP exploit in which a hacker uses the software on a web server to access the data in a directory other than the server root directory. Okay, so it's a type of HTTP exploit in which a hacker uses the software on a web server to access data in a directory other than the server root directory, right? It exploits insufficient security validation or sanitation of user supply file name, such the characters representing transfer to parent directory are passed through the operating system file system API. Okay, so without further ado, let me open my Kali. Okay, so I'm gonna minimize this. I'm gonna put my node aside. By the way, I will put my node in the blackboard, right? So I'm gonna put it there. Let's go to my Kali Linux. Okay, so where is it? I have my Kali here. Let's check my IP address, right? ifconfig. So I have the host only is 56.103. So let me see if I can change this one. I'm gonna do this. Where's preference? Move always. Well, I think that's okay then. See if I can, because I want to make this larger, see if I can do it. Edit. Where can I change the preference here? Preference. I'm gonna change the appearance, right? Where's the font size here? Here the font size, I'm gonna change it to 14 so I can see a little bit better. Apply and OK. Alright? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open this one, right? I'm gonna minimize this. So my IP is 56.103. I'm going to minimize this and I will open Burpsuite. Okay, Burpsuite. Your GRE appears to be a version of 17 from Debian, has not been fully tested. click OK. Alright, so here they ask you for temporary project, okay, because I'm using the community edition which come with the Kali Linux. So I'm gonna click next and use Burpsuite by default. Click start. Okay. Alright, from here I'm going to go to proxy, right? I'm going to proxy, and then I'm going to intercept on, because if you don't intercept, then we are not able to capture the package, right? We are not able to see what's going on. So I'm gonna click, well, we click that later then. So let's open this one. I'm going to open this browsers, okay? And then I'm going to look for this name, right? portswigger.net. I'm gonna go to this website because I have to log in. Oh, I need to type this one, right? I'm not allowed to. Let me see. Let me see. I may have to, let me see. Here, okay. And here is my, in my host, so I have to type manually, okay. It's called port. No. This is, I'm going to type this I'm going to type this HTTP. What you call this? It's called portswigger.net users. Okay, so I need to go to this website. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account. Okay, here. Since I already have an account, so I just need to put my username and password as Husin2 at southtexascollege.edu. Okay, the password, once you create an account, they will send you a password, right? If you can see that, here is the password, right? I don't remember, so I'm gonna copy and paste. Okay, see, I'm gonna right click this one, select copy, see if I can paste it, because I have to enable this one, drag and drop from the host to VM, see if it's work. So, okay. So this apparently not working. So here, let me see on the device, see if I can drag and drop. This one is working. It's host to PC bidirectional, okay? So hopefully that's work. I don't know if I need to reboot. I'm gonna copy this again, and then I'm gonna right click here and paste it there. Wow, apparently it will not allow me. So drag and drop bidirectional is not working. So let me see. So I'm in here. I'm gonna right click here. I'm gonna right click copy and paste it over there. Yeah, apparently it didn't allow me, so I may need to log it. Okay, so I may need to pause the video because I need to, so you don't have to wait too long. Okay, let me see. Yeah, let me pause this video. Okay, I'm gonna log in here using this one. Okay, I just opened an email here, so I'm gonna copy and paste from here. Let me see if I can Control V. Here we go. Login, right? So now I have my username and password. Okay, so from here I have to go to the academy, right? Go to the academy, okay, and then from from the academy, I have to go to look for this one, okay? Look for the exercise, go to your learning progress or go to the academy, because I already studied earlier. So you go here, you go to learning path, okay? Choose, let me see what you need to choose. Choose the first one, which is the easiest one, right? Server-side client, right? Server-side exercise, okay? So I'm going to server-side vulnerabilities and look under apprentice, okay? So I'm going to click resume, right? Resume, okay? So I'm going to start accessing the lab, okay? So I'm going to start accessing the lab, okay? When I notice that this browser is embedded in the Burpsuite, so you do not open you do not perform this exercise using a browser other than the one that already in here. So now I'm going to start intercept, right? Notice that if I click in, go to proxy tab, proxy, ribbon, and then intercept, right? When I click this one, and then here, I'm going to refresh, right? Look at this. I'm going to refresh this. And let's wait for a while. And let me see. I'm going to click home. Let me see if this is, here we go. It's already picked it up right here. Okay, here is already picked it up. The dashboard. Let me see. This is my things, right? I already have this one. Open, I'm going to click forward. You see this forward? I'm going to click forward. And then here, notice that I pick it up already, Web Security Academy, right? I'm going to click forward again, right? So basically, this one is already, my browser is already connected. Let me see if I can put side by side here, okay? So, see, I'm going to put it like this, right? And then I'm going to, so if I click forward, notice that I already have all this information, right? So let's say that I'm going to click this one, right? View detail of this. Okay, this is product one, right? This is product one, right? Notice that I click product one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here. Click this forward, forward again, and forward again, and forward again, forward again. Okay, they should change this one, but apparently I already connect this probably. So let me go to HTTP history. So if I scroll it down, right, I need to go to filter, right, filter, and check these images, all right? Check these images. I'm going to click these images and click apply, right? So now you will see the item that I select. Let's say I'm select the sprout, okay? This is the sprout, okay? Select the sprout, and then the intercept, right? I'm going to click forward and forward. Product ID 1, notice that I choose this. Okay, see, now it goes to file path transversal. I'm going to click again. Sometimes you check a few times, file name 6, JPEG, so because I click the 6th one. Okay, now I see another one, now the COM. Okay, so notice that I was able to use this browser and see what's happened in the Burpsuite. So I'm going to scroll down, okay? So now let's go to the HTTP history. Make sure that you filter this and look for images. Click apply, and then I'm going to scroll down now. If you notice here, I have a lot of packets here, right? I have 1,000 of packets. Let's make this bigger so I can see a little bit better. Scroll it down, okay? Scroll it down. Let's see the query here, the JPEG. I'm looking for the JPEG query.